going to show you my new puppy. So this is the dog. He's for sure part beagle and wiener dog, and we're still waiting for results of what else he is. His mom came from Kentucky, and soon after she had her babies. Soon afterwards we decided to get him, and we changed his name from Bo to Remington. Those are some pictures and videos of my dog, and I also wanted to say how soon we're going to turn him into a tracking dog. What I mean by tracking dog is he's going to be trained to track the deer that we shoot. Hi everybody, I'm here with today's Bible verse, and it's a really important one. It's from Hebrews 11:6. It says, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God. Those who come to God must believe that He exists, and they must believe that He rewards those who look to Him."